Hello there everyone, and this is Felix from Felix the Dev, where coding is a lifestyle. And for those that are new to my channel, my name is Felix, and I help people learning how to code, also computer science students completing their degrees. And today we're going to talk about a special topic. I was having this conversation with a friend, and he's a college student. He's right now he's working on his degree on computer engineering, and he's interested in software engineering as well. He wants to work as a software developer or software engineer after he graduates. That's his career goal. And he's taken various programming courses and also computer science related courses. And what he told me is that he feels that he can't work at a company yet. Also, he feels that he understands the details of a concept that he's learned in class, such as programming principles, also databases, and all these software engineering related topics, but he still doesn't understand how these components connect with each other and how they work together to power a real-world application. So because of this, he feels that he's not ready yet to apply for a job, and he feels very overwhelmed and intimidated. So I figured that there must be other computer science students out there that may feel the same way, and it's totally normal, guys. Don't feel bad for this, or maybe just discouraged to apply for a job. So that's why I decided to make a video on this topic. And also, why should we talk about this? Like I just said, you might feel the same way, and this video might help you gather an insight from myself, which I finished my degree in computer science, and I transitioned from being a undergraduate student to a professional software developer working in the industry. So this insight might help you guys gain some confidence and assurance, and just to make you feel that you are motivated and encouraged to apply for the job or internship right now, or maybe after graduating. So I hope this helps. So what are you gonna get from this video? So first is my advice and suggestions, and also number two is you're gonna get some practical tips that are gonna help you if you start applying them to understand how things connect to each other, and help you along on your degree and on your path to understanding and applying for that job. So let's get started, guys. And the first thing I want to share with you is that it takes time. So for you to understand, or anyone who is learning software engineering, software development, and is a student, so it takes time to understand how real-world applications work to solve a problem. It takes time. So, for example, if you want to understand how a database connects to the front end, or how the front end, going to a broader aspect, a broader term, is how does it connect to the back end, or when do you need a database in your application, or just how many components you will need. All of this I just mentioned, it takes time. I want to convey to you guys this is a skill, and in my experience, what's worked up through my journey is that it takes a constant repetition of applying the skills you've learned in class for you to gain that understanding and that confidence to know when to use something or not to solve a real-world problem, or just work on a large-scale application. So I like to look at this as a as like a skill, also like going to the gym and building a muscle. So you should work on small projects. They can be your side projects, and then start building as you get better on working on larger and complex projects. These can be open source projects or even your own projects, but going from small complexity or lower complexity, if that's the correct term, to a even higher complexity application. So as you keep rinse and repeating this process, you will see and gain the understanding you will need to, and the confidence to work on large scale applications. So that's the main thing I want to convey for you guys, is that it takes time and also practice. So expose yourself to the process and you will gain the confidence and you will understand even better. So another thing I want to share with you guys that has helped me a lot is to build projects. And these can be projects outside of campus. The first thing is that choose a problem you would like to solve, then make an app for it, and just go through the process of designing it and coding it. And as a side note, this doesn't have to be a large-scale application. This can be a small application, and this is my suggestion. Just go do a very small application, then as you go, keep doing more projects by yourself. Go and work as large as I mentioned before, and just go step by step. But the idea, the practical aspect of this video is that as you build projects, you will gain the confidence and you will gain the understanding of saying, okay, on this application, I needed this technology. I needed this type of database. I needed these tools. And as you go through that process, even they're not for-profit applications, they can be your side projects, not certainly a company's software, commercial software. You're going to gain that skill of identifying what you need and how these components work together to power that application. So building projects can help you a lot in my opinion. They've helped me in the past, and I think that they can help you guys as well. Also, I told my friends, so I think that and I believe that can help you out. So also, the very good thing about working on projects is that, as I mentioned on other videos, you can go ahead and use these projects to build up a portfolio and show them in your interviews. So you can showcase to potential employers that not only you understand the theory, but you can apply it. So that's another way you can leverage on that. So yeah, that's another way that you can leverage on the time you invest on working on these projects. Yeah, so put them on GitHub, a platform like that, and so you can show the employers how you code. So that's another aspect that you can benefit for your career as well. So that'll be all for today, guys. If you like this video, click that like button. Also, share it with a friend who needs this advice. And also, don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss a video. Also, follow me on social media. The links are in the description as always. And before I go, if you would like to read the full blog article, because I know I don't know if I mentioned this, but I did a blog article on this topic, and I shared one tip that I not included on this video. So if you're interested on reading that, check the link on the description. It's posted on Medium, on my Medium, so you can take advantage of that as well. So that will be all for today, guys. This was Felix from Felix the Dev. I will see you on the next video. Take care.